Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable the live caption on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. So as you can see guys in my screen, so when I'm playing any video in my browser, so at that time the live caption is showing here. So I don't want to see this. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. In the Google Chrome browser, in the toolbar menu here, you can get the option control your music. Just click on it in the right side corner like this, and here you can get the option live caption. So from here you can easily able to disable this option. In case this option feature is not showing in the toolbar menu, at that time click on three dots, scroll down and find out settings and open it like this. In the settings guys, from the left panel open the accessibility, and here you can get the option live caption. So from here you can also able to disable this. That's it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to disable, turn off the live caption on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.